Let's go.
Welcome to the TopCat AI signal report. Today we're going a little deeper. Bring enough in for the depth you're willing to explore. From the blur, we can hear it now. Less noise in the room, more truths coming out. From noise to signal. From noise to signal. When we are just vibing, creation happens. From noise to signal. From noise to signal. Calm in the current. That's where it lands.
That's where it lands. This is number 60, y'all. Welcome to Tuesday. And today's signal is that AI has moved into proof and priority phase. The question is no longer whether companies will use AI. They already are. But which organizations can prove value, govern it well, scale it without breaking trust, or burning too much cash? This is from the blogs and the video. Now that matters because the winners are separating fast. The strongest AI returns are showing up where the workflow is structured and measurable, while the hardest adoption problems are showing up where work is messy, variable, and heavily dependent on human judgment. Segment 1. Here's the headline. The biggest signal today is that AI is becoming an operating system, not just a tool. In practice, that means organizations are no longer testing prompts. They are redesigning processes, staffing, and decision flows around AI. This is from Microsoft. Now, at the same time, the market is getting more selective. AI leaders are proving that ROI in repeatable workflows, while many others are still struggling with fragmented data. B, unclear ownership and limited measurable payoff. Now, the result is widening gap between AI that creates leverage and AI that just creates activity. Segment 2, why it matters. This matters because AI adoption is no longer evenly distributed across industries or business functions. The highest returns are coming from places like manufacturing, logistics, financial services, retail, and healthcare. Sectors where AI can improve throughput, reduce error, or speed up decisions in a way that can actually be measured. And we know without measurements, what do we really have, y'all? Okay, by contrast, unstructured industries face harder problems, messy data, inconsistent workflows, privacy risks, and unclear outcomes. So the bigger signal is not just that AI works, it's that AI works best where organizations is ready for it. That's from Finzark. Now, segment 3, the trust layer. Yeah, for my local businesses in Columbus, holla if you hear me. Trust is still the currency underneath all of this. However, today, trust has 3 dimensions. The customer has to trust AI, the team has to trust the workflow, and the leadership has to trust the economics. Are y'all hearing me on this? This is why the best companies are pairing AI with governance, measurement, and human accountability. Now, what are y'all hearing is central to everything that I'm speaking about? Human accountability. So AI that improves a workflow and remains explainable creates confidence. AI that adds confusion, hidden costs, or unclear responsibility creates drag. And a quick word from today's sponsor. If your business is trying to move fast without losing clarity, the TopCat AI Signal Report is built to help you separate signal from noise. Because in AI, the real danger is not just what you build, it's what you fail to notice while you're building it. Thank you. Segment 4, the big company shift. The other strong signal today, y'all, is that the large companies are restructuring around AI. That means AI is no longer just helping teams work faster. It is actively changing the shape of the organization. This is from Reddit. Now, but that shift comes with risk. Companies that move too fast can cut expertise before they have a stable replacement, which creates hidden fragility. So, the real question is not how many people can we remove? It is which work can AI genuinely absorb, and where does human judgment still protect quality? Does that make sense to you guys? This is from the America Bazaar Online. Segment 5, Unstructured Industries. This is where the contrast gets important, y'all, so pay attention. Here we go. In unstructured industries, healthcare, legal, consulting, and other service-heavy environments, AI implementation is much harder. This is from Finzart. Why? Because the work is variable, the data is fragmented, the risk is higher, and the answers often depend on nuance rather than pattern recognition alone. This is from NIH. Now, that means that the best use cases are narrow: search, summarization, drafting, triage, and decision support with human review. In those environments, AI should support judgment, y'all, first, and not replace it. This is from DJ Holt Law. Now, segment 6, what to avoid. There are 2 mistakes to avoid right now. First, don't confuse AI activity with AI value. Spending more, deploying more, or restructuring more does not guarantee better, especially ROI. Second, don't force broad automation into messy workflows. If the process is highly variable, AI can magnify errors, create compliance issues, and make the cleanup work worse than the original problem. This is from Highland, y'all. The companies that win will be the ones that choose the right use case first, not the loudest one. Segment 7, practical guidance. Here's the action plan for the day, y'all. The TopCat action plan. Are y'all hearing me out there? All right. Number 1, start with a workflow that is repetitive, measurable, and high volume. Number 2, keep human oversight in any process that touches trust, compliance, or high-stakes judgment. Number 3, if your industry is unstructured, begin with supportive tasks like retrieval, summarization, and routing. Number 4, measure the result before scaling the rollout, okay? Number 5, cut anything that adds complexity without clear return. That is the path from AI enthusiasm to AI advantage. Now, another quick word for today's sponsor. The TopCat AI Signal Report is for leaders who want practical clarity, not more hype. The goal is not to chase every new thing. The goal is to know what actually matters, what can break, and what deserves your attention today. Let's grow. Okay, so today's TopCat signal is this. AI is proving its value fastest in structured, measurable industries, while unstructured industries are being forced to slow down, narrow scope, and govern more carefully. Now, the winners will be the companies that match the tool to the workflow and the workflow to the organization for actual readiness. From noise to signal, from signal to creation. This has been the TopCat AI Signal Report. Number 60, y'all. Can you believe it? I remember number 1. And thanks to you guys out there, all you founders, leaders, and everyone who listens, all my Columbus family, Gahanna family, and hell, my Ohio family. You know I got nothing but love for you, and thank you. And please, stay tuned. 61 is for you. Get ready. We're out of here. Coach Clement out.